Satnam, Mandeep here. Okay, genuine training and the role of the spiritual teacher. You need a genuine training. We need a genuine training. We need some sort of guidance to be able to integrate through this big, big change that all of humanity, our whole planet, is literally integrating and evolving, transforming. It's a huge evolution. It's a huge transformation. A process of having a genuine training, and the concept of having a genuine training is this is where this comes forward. So there's lots of vehicles. There's a lot of vehicles. The vehicle of choice that I happen to work with and that I myself personally practice is Kundalini Technology. This is the teachings of Kundalini, which is an amalgamation through this Mother Yoga, this Shakti Yoga, that basically gives me a full spectrum, a full array of how to take energy and transmute it into action. At the same time that I'm doing that, all through the value of the experience, I am gaining this sense of how I am personally evolving into being more of a space holder of my own divine consciousness. And in order to do that, I need a spiritual teacher, really. I need guidance to be able to do that. So there are a few people and a few teachers that maintain that role of integrity that I look to. I look to books, I look to references on people that I admire, and also people that I really feel a camaraderie with, a kinship with. So it's not like I'm going, oh, that person, if they tell me something, I'm just going to take it verbatim. Absolutely not. What I'm talking about and what I'm sharing with you is that I get inspired by something that I hear and read about. And there's, like I said, a multitude of ways that I go about accessing this information. It comes in very intuitively. And then I take that information in and I create an experience with it for myself. And what doesn't work, I drop it. What works, oh, I'm going to keep going with that because that's really providing me a very big experience of me being more of me being more of my own guru and, in a sense, a student. So I spoke about this in the first video in this series that I was mentioning to you about the guru and the student relationship. So you need a genuine training, and what I'm recommending is the vehicle of Kundalini Yoga, the technology of Kundalini, working with this incredible, vibrant goddess energy that we all have within us, how to transmute that into your own energetic vehicle, holding it strongly because it's a super powerful energy, and that the role of the spiritual teacher is that someone that you can create a guidance system with. It's like your accountability partner. Let's look at it that way. So here I am, a spiritual teacher. I'll be an accountability partner for you if that's what you're looking for, and I also offer genuine training. Satnam.